In this video, we will try to understand how we can create a website using WordPress. First, we will purchase a hosting plan, and here I'm using Hostinger, that is a web hosting company, and we will purchase the domain and the hosting plan from Hostinger. After that, we will create the website using WordPress. Now you can see here the best offer for web hosting, and for this offer you can see the different features. So select the best web hosting offer, you can see here, and you can see the different features, like we can create 100 websites, storage, and you can see the backup is also available, and we can create 100 web emails, SSH access, we have FTP account, 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM, and 3 GB database size, and free emails, and we have free SSL. Now we will purchase this web hosting plan. So click on this button, add to cart. Now next step, you can see here, choose a period for selected web hosting plan. Here you can see we can choose the period for 1 month, 12 month, 24 months or 48 months, and you can see the price above for each plan. So suppose I'm using this for 12 month. After that, we will select the payment method for the selected plan. So here select adding payment method, and after that we will make the payment. So when payment is done, we will log in the Hostinger website. Next, you can see here on Hostinger, here enter your email and password. After that, click on login button. Now you can see the Hostinger H panel. Now you can see we are inside the Hostinger H panel. Here you can see the websites that we purchased, hosting, emails, domains, and other. And you can also check the billing history, all the payments you have done, you can check here. Now in the website section, you can see here the domains we purchased. We can either edit or manage. So when you will click on the website button, you can see here different option. Either you can manage or edit website, and in the domain section you can see the domains that you purchased. Now suppose you want to get a new domain, so click on get a new domain, and here enter your desired domain name. Now suppose I want to purchase google.net. You can see here .com.net. Suppose I want to purchase .net. Now we will check. Here you can see this domain is taken, so we need to purchase another domain. Again, enter your desired domain name for your website. Now suppose I want to purchase education 897. Now check whether this website is taken or not. Now you can see here this website domain is available. We can buy this domain, and you can see here other options also given for this domain. And here you can see we are purchasing this domain for 1 year. Next, click on this button, buy domain, and here choose the billing period. So as I want to purchase this for 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. So once the domain name is selected and payment is done, we can create the website. Here click on this button, websites. Here we can edit, manage websites. Now suppose we want to create a website for the new domain that we recently purchased. So here you can see we have two options. Either we can create a new website or we can migrate our website. Now suppose we want to create a new website, so select this I want to create a new website. Now you can see here the platform. Now next we will select a platform for website building. So here you can see we have two platforms. Either we can choose the Hostinger builder or WordPress. So as in this video we will try to understand how we can create the website using WordPress. So we will select WordPress. Next you can see here the WordPress platform is selected. Now click on this button, select WordPress. Now next we will create a WordPress account. So next step you can see here, create a WordPress account, and here enter the email and password. So this is the WordPress admin account for the website. So here enter the email ID and the password. Next click on continue button. Now you can see different plugins we can add into our website, or you can skip this step and you can manage the plugins later. Now next step you can see here, choose the layout for your website and we will customize it. You can see here the different options for the website layout. Either you can choose the website layout here, or you can skip this step. Now suppose I want to use this layout. There you can preview or simply select. So I'm using this template. Click on the select button. Now next you can see here, name your website. Here you can see here we have choose a domain, and another block you can see here, use an existing domain. Here you can choose the domain name and you can start editing. Choose the domain name for website and click on the select button. Next you can see here your domain name and CMS, admin email ID and theme. Click on the finish button. Now next you can see here they're sending the confirmation mail. You can check the email and you can see the link and you can verify. Now you can see here SSL is installed automatically. SSL is used to protect your website and to gain your customer trust. Now you can see here they are preparing the dashboard. Now next you can see here the setup is done. Next you can see here we have two options. Either we can edit the website or we can manage the website in the control panel. That is the Hostinger control panel. So first we will manage the site. After that we will start editing. So click on this button, manage site. And next you can see the dashboard. That is the new dashboard, and you can also switch to the old dashboard. And if WordPress is not installed, just click on the old dashboard and search for WordPress and install WordPress. Click here and switch dashboard. Here you can see we can switch the dashboard to old dashboard. Next click on dashboard. You can see here this is the old dashboard for WordPress. Here we will do different settings. So here we will do different settings for the website. First you can see here force HTTPS. Enable this setting and it will redirect all website requests over HTTPS. So enable this setting. So next you can see here we are going to install the SSL certificate. So here you can see select a website you would like to install SSL. Next click on install SSL. Now you can see here SSL certificate is now active. It means your website data is encrypted with the most recent SSL. Now we will edit the website. Click on the edit website button, and you can see here they are redirecting to WordPress admin area. Now here we can edit the template that we selected. We can change the text. Or here you can see plus. Here we can add the features into the web pages. Here you can see when you will click on the websites, you can see the domains you purchased, and from this, and here you can click on edit website, or you can manage your website. So suppose we want to edit the website now. So now we will start website building. Click on edit website button, and here you can see they are redirecting to the WordPress admin area. So you can see this is the WordPress admin area. You can see here we have post, pages, and other options available. If you want to change the website theme, click on appearance. Next you can see here we have different options. Themes, click on themes, and here you can see different themes. Now suppose we want to search new theme for the website, so click here add new theme. Now next we can search themes. Here you can see the search bar. So here we will enter what kind of theme we need for our website. Suppose we need shopping theme. So here you can see different themes that we can add. You can install and then activate. Now suppose I want to choose this theme. Click on install button. Now you can see theme is installing. After installation, click on activate button. Now you can see here theme is installed. Click on activate button. Now theme is activated. Now we can customize theme. When you will click on the customize theme button, you can see here the theme that we selected. Now we can edit the website from here. We can change the title, that is the site title. For example, you can see here my online store, and you can add the tagline for your website. You can also select the site icon and the logo. You can see here select logo. Next you can see here the theme that we selected, and you can see here the site title and the tagline that we edited. Next you can see here the pages added in this website. Click on the pages button and you can see the pages. Now we can customize the theme for the website that we selected. Now suppose we want to add products into the website. So here you can see the option products. Click on this button products, and you can see different option. We can add new product. So here you can see this button products. Click on this button and you can see different options. We can add products. So click on add new if you want to add products into your website. So here you can see different products that we already added. So if you want to add new product, just click on add new, and here we will enter the product name. So choose any product name. So enter the product name here. Suppose my product name is cartoon, and here you can enter the product description. You can write something about the product. Suppose my product is Doraemon. Next you can see here we can select the product image. So click on this link and select the product image. You can see the image is uploaded. Next you can see here add product gallery. Click on this link and add products in the image gallery, in the product gallery, and here we can add the tags for the product. Next we will create a category for this. Suppose my category name is cartoons, and here we will check the category. After that we will select the price for the product. So here we will enter the price for the product, and suppose the price for this one is this one. Next we will click on the publish button. Now product is published. Now we will check the website. You can click here, visit website or visit store. So click on visit website and you can see the website. Now click on shop and you can see the product is added. You can see here we added this product. You can see the category name, you can see the product name cartoon, and you can see the tag and the category name also. Now you can also change the currency. So you can see here, now we will add this product. Suppose we want to purchase this product, so click on add to cart, view cart. In the cart you can see we have already different items. You can delete the items that you don't want to purchase. Now we will proceed to checkout, and here we will enter the billing details. And next, now suppose we want to add another product into this shop. So again click on products, and here you can see we have different products that we added. Now we want to add new product. Click on here, add new, and here enter the product name. Suppose my next product is this one. Here we will enter the product description, and once the product description is done, after that we will select the image for the product. Again click on this link, select product image, upload image, and you can also select the gallery images. Click here and upload. Next you can see the category that we selected, cartoons, and here we will enter the prices for the product. Suppose the price is this one. Next we will click here, publish. Now we will check the product. Click on view site, here shop, and you can see the new product is added. Now you can see here the gallery is also created for this, and you can see the description. Now suppose you want to purchase this product, click on the add to the cart. You can change currency also. Next, here this product is added, view cart. Now you can see already a product is added. Now suppose we want to purchase only this one. Proceed to checkout, enter the billing details. So that's how you can create a simple website using WordPress. Even you can also create simple WordPress website. So we require different plugins. So click on this option, plugins, and here we can add the new plugins. For e-commerce websites we will activate this plugin. Just click on install now. Now you can see here this is already installed, so I will not install this again. Just click on install and activate, and after that you can create any e-commerce website. So that's all about this video. If you have any question you can comment below, and thanks for watching this video.